So now what we are going to do is we'll be installing Apache Tomcat to our server. So first thing we need to go to the Apache Tomcat website. I'll just Google it, download Apache Tomcat. I'll just click on the first result. And this is the Tomcat 8 version. I'll click on Tomcat 9 from the side menu and scroll down, and I'll be downloading the tar version of Apache Tomcat. So I'll be using command line to download this resource. So I'll just right click and copy link location, get back to my command line, and we'll execute this command wget and paste what we copied earlier. So this is going to download the Apache Tomcat file in our system. So hit enter. Alright, so it's been downloaded. We can verify that by doing ls command. So here is our file. Alright. Now we need to extract the Apache Tomcat tar file. We can do same as we did with JRE server. So we need to hit this command sudo tar and hit enter. Now verify it. So this is the newly extracted file. We'll be moving Apache Tomcat, the directory, the whole directory, to our opt directory. Right? We'll be doing sudo md to, and we'll name it Tomcat 9. Hit enter. Let's change our directory to opt and do ls command. Alright, so this is our Tomcat and this is our JDK. Now we'll need to make some configuration changes to Tomcat 9. Alright, so we can see Tomcat 9 here. We'll be doing some path variable thing we did with JRE installation. So we need to go into sudo nano enter. We'll be going to add path variable for Tomcat. I'll set Catalina home to opt and Tomcat 9. And that's it. This is the home directory of Tomcat, and this is all we need for Apache Tomcat. Now hit Ctrl O to make changes and exit from the text editor. Alright, now we have added the Catalina home path that will be directed to Tomcat 9. One more thing that we need to do is set environment for Tomcat itself. It will make sense when I'll be deploying a Spring Boot application. So right now just follow along. Okay, you don't need to do this if you don't have a Spring Boot application, but in my case I'll be using it. So I need to set it up. Alright, so what you can do is you can sudo nano tomcat bin, and I'll create a new file. I'll set env.fz, enter. I will add in another path variable, or this is more like a, environment variable for Tomcat. So let's see, Catalina equals string. And I'll write the changes by doing Control-O command, enter, get out of text editor, and that's it. So we're done with Tomcat, and I'll be moving on to installing MySQL in our server.